Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever dreamed of taming your garden with astonishing ease, without excessive effort and achieving impeccable results? If so, you are in the right place. Because today, I am going to introduce you to a revolutionary product that will transform your gardening experience. Get ready to discover the Bosch UniversalHedgePole 18, a tool that goes well beyond conventional expectations. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Bosch UniversalHedgePole 18 is aimed at all gardening enthusiasts, both novices and experts, looking for a powerful tool without the constraints of cables, offering exceptional freedom of movement to sculpt their hedges with ease and precision. Transform your gardening experience now. Imagine a sunny morning, standing in front of your majestic hedge, ready to transform it into a botanical masterpiece. This is where the Bosch Hedge Trimmer comes into play, with its cordless power. No more constraints of a cable that limit your movements. This tool is the perfect companion for sculpting your hedge, even the tallest and widest, with the utmost ease. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description, and also see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The first thing that will strike you is the freedom of movement that this trimmer offers. Imagine reaching heights of up to 2.6 meters without lifting a finger. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to its adjustable telescopic handle with an angled head, no branch will be out of reach. It's like having a magic wand for your garden, but even better. But that's not all. The real magic happens thanks to Bosch's electronic anti-blocking system. No more interruptions in your creative flow. No more forced breaks to clear stuck branches. With the Bosch UniversalHedgePole 18, your work is smooth, uninterrupted, with clean and precise cuts. You may be wondering how this tool can be so powerful and flexible at the same time. Well, the answer is simple. Power for all. One battery and one charger for all Bosch home and garden tools. No more clutter, no more tangled cables. The freedom you deserve is within reach. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality, and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The 18V lithium battery of this trimmer provides you with up to 2.5 hours of continuous work. Imagine everything you could accomplish in that time, without the constraints of a cable following you everywhere. You sculpt, you shape, you create, without interruption. The exceptional maneuverability of this Bosch hedge trimmer ensures that every movement is precise, whether up, down, or sideways. The pivoting head provides you with incredible flexibility, allowing you to trim the sides, top, or bottom of your hedge with astonishing ease. But that's not all. The anti-blocking system ensures unobstructed cuts, even on the thickest branches. Imagine working with full power, without blockage, and without frustration. This is the promise of Bosch's trimmer, and the best part is that this product is available at the best price by clicking the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. In summary, this Bosch trimmer combines efficiency, power, and comfort, with its safe and easy handling, remarkable lightness, and rubberized grip surface. Every gardening session becomes an enjoyable experience. But now, let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Wireless freedom. Wireless technology provides unmatched freedom of movement, eliminating the constraints associated with cables. Advantage number 2. Telescopic versatility. With an adjustable telescopic handle and an adjustable head, it reaches heights of 2.6 meters for precision. The system ensures continuous operation without interruption or blockage, providing clean and efficient cuts. One battery and one charger for all home and garden tools, simplifying usage and saving energy. Advantage number 6. Lightweight and perfect balance. Weighing only 3.6 kg, it offers easy and comfortable handling, supported by a powerful 18V lithium battery. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Not ideal for small areas. More suited for large hedges, it may be oversized for small gardens. If you aspire to an unparalleled plant transformation, if you wish to embrace the power of cordless freedom, look no further. Click on the link in the description to order your Bosch UniversalHedgePole 18 cordless telescopic hedge trimmer at the best price. Discover more about its exceptional features and explore the thousands of customer reviews that confirm its status as the undisputed champion of modern gardening. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Transform your garden today. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.